Our solar system. Our solar system. Our solar system is over 4 billion years old. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, and 1 asteroid belt. It also contains moons, comets, and meteoroids. The Sun. The Sun is the center of our solar system. The Sun's gravity is what keeps the planets orbiting around it. Even though more than 1 million Earths would fit inside the Sun is actually only an average-sized star in the universe. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is covered in craters and has no moons. Mercury's nicknames are Morning Star and Evening Star. This is because it is easiest to see Mercury right before sunrise. Mercury turns very slowly on its axis. One day on Earth takes 24 hours. One day on Mercury takes almost 59 Earth days. Venus. Lasting 116 Earth days, a day on Venus is even longer than Mercury's. Venus's day is longer than Earth's, but its year is shorter. A year on Venus is equal to 224 Earth days. Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system and is often visible during daylight. Venus is known as Earth's sister planet because of similarities in size and gravity. Earth. Although Earth and Venus may be like sisters, Earth is a truly unique planet in our solar system. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that supports life, at least that we know of. It's Earth's atmosphere that allows life to flourish on its surface. Earth's atmosphere is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. The atmosphere protects Earth from the sun's powerful heat and makes the planet habitable. Mars. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had lakes, rivers, and perhaps even an ocean like Earth. That was a long time ago, however. Mars is now covered in red dirt and rocks. That's why it is also known as the Red Planet. Unlike Earth, Mars has 2 moons. They are called Deimos and Phobos. Jupiter. The record for the planet with the most moons goes to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has 50 known moons. An additional 17 orbiting bodies are awaiting confirmation. Jupiter is not just the largest planet in our solar system, it is also the stormiest. Jupiter's biggest storms can be seen through some telescopes. In fact, the big red spot that the planet is famous for is a giant hurricane. This hurricane is so big that 3 Earths would fit inside of it. Saturn. For those looking at planets through telescopes, some say Saturn is the most beautiful to look at. Perhaps it is the 7 rings surrounding Saturn that make it stand out from other planets in our solar system. Saturn's rings are made of ice, dust, and rocks. The gaps you see between Saturn's rings make room for Saturn's many moons. Uranus. Like Saturn, Uranus also has rings. But unlike Saturn, Uranus spins on its side. It is believed that at some point an Earth-sized object crashed into Uranus. The force was so strong that it caused Uranus to rotate on its side. Uranus is also known as the ice giant because it is so cold. Uranus reaches negative 224 degrees Celsius at its coldest. That's colder than any other planet, colder than even the farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune. Neptune. Neptune is so far out at the edge of our solar system that it takes Neptune 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. That means that in your lifetime, Neptune will have not made it around the Sun. Neptune has at least 13 moons, but because it is so far away, We have no way of knowing exactly how many moons it has. Not yet, anyway.